Hello everyone, welcome to DotNetCrunch, and today we'll be looking at 6 reasons to learn ASP.NET Core in the upcoming year 2021. So let's explore that. So the first reason is web apps and services. So we can build modern and scalable web apps and services using ASP.NET Core. Let's look at the second in the list, SPAs, single page applications. So we can build modern single page applications using library and frameworks such as React, Vue, or Angular, respectively, that can be easily incorporated into existing ASP.NET Core framework and templates. So you can build single page applications, and that too at a great extent. So that is this is count as a number two in this feature in this reason. Let's move to number three, IoT, Internet of Things. So yeah, you can like our IoT developer friends can also take advantage of ASP.NET Core framework. We can build applications and services for IoT devices as well. Let's move on to number four, deploy anywhere. So the apps and the services which you build can be deployed to any platform like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, along with cloud or containers. So prior to .NET Core platform, the .NET applications were only uh, deployed on Windows platform. So yeah, this is the thing. You can deploy it anywhere. Hosting options. So number five in the list. So once you develop your applications, you have various options to host it. We can host our applications on Kestrel. Kestrel is one of the uh, cross-platform web server for ASP.NET Core, and IIS is Internet Information Server, Apache, Docker, Nginx, etc. These are the hosting options available for your ASP.NET Core applications. Let's move on to number six, which is last in the list. You can run .NET in browser. So without using JavaScript, with the help of Blazor, so there is a Blazor using which you can like run your .NET Core. .NET is a server-side technology, right? So server-side code into your browser using C Sharp and Blazor. So that's uh, that's how we can directly run the .NET in the browser. That is another advantage of using .NET Core and ASP.NET Core. So Blazor, you might be wondering what is Blazor. So Blazor is a free and open source web framework um, that creates that with the help of which you can create web apps using plain HTML and C Sharp. Okay, so let's wrap up. So these were few of the reasons which I feel are important to learn ASP.NET Core in upcoming year 2021. Hope you like this. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and you can refer to our blog .NETCrunch.in, wherein I keep on adding a few of the articles related to .NET, SQL, C Sharp. That's all for this video. Thank you.